Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Calculation options. Under the Formulas tab, you can find the Calculation section. Calculation options is by default set to automatic. We can change it to manual here. When we set the calculation options to automatic and change a cell inside the Excel, all the affecting cells will change. We have changed 15 here to 20 and all the cells that it affects have changed. But when we set it to manual and we change the discount percentage, you can notice that the column D is not affected. This is very helpful if we are editing a large Excel sheet. We do not want the Excel to keep running in the background and show us different values at different times. But when we are done with editing all the sheet, we can click on Calculate Sheet and it will update all the formulas that are affected by any changes. Calculate Sheet will only affect the current active sheet. However, Calculate Now will affect the entire workbook. This was calculation options. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.